My name is Quan Lee. I come from Green High School. No, for real, yeah, Green High School. So my piece is about friendship. Yo, Pop! Now you gotta understand, because of what I do is what I already am. Now I am an individual, rockin' Hello Kitty, from my block all the way down to Oak City. But take no pity, please, if I walk shameless. My swag over billion, only a few could ever change this. And that few, they are my best friends, and they're the only ones who can ever comprehend with my reason for the meaning of life. To witness all things, not to end by a life. And my friends, it's the reason for my existence. I would have been dead, but damn it, they're too persistent. Without them, I can only hope to be deceased, because friends to me is like infinite peace, and peace is what they already have brought me. It's what they already have brought me. Father, don't get in my way, because nothing can ever stop me. But you can't defend it. I'm just too strong when it comes to friendships. And my friends, you won't even have to worry at all, because I'm so off the hook. I always answer your calls. If you need me, I'll be here with a familiar voice. If you need a little guidance, pick a topic of your choice, and I'll be your BFF. Someone you can turn to. Just remember that I'm always there for you. So no matter how much you're going through, I'll be by your side until you can see the truth. And no matter how bad your past has been, just call me a priest and you can confess your sins. So do you now see, Father? I'm not wasting time playing games on the computer. I want to converse with my homeboy, because ever since then, it's the only way to joy. Because he's long gone, but not forgotten. We built a bond we could both put trust in, and it's been so long. We were like family. No song could ever match the memories like back then. Naval story on a daily basis. Overfront with the trigger temptation right now. We're on the fence of the ancient. Like time flies, we're waiting patient. I can finally at peace. Even if I'm finally at peace, because in my mind, my friend always comes first. Even if I'm dying of hunger or thirst, so you can call me the young Martin Luther King, because just like him, I do have a dream in my dream. Is to have this message sent. My message is to always cherish your friends.